Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can buy or sell crypto on OKX. Now to do this, the process is really simple and easy. Just follow these quick steps I'm going to show you guys. Open up the OKX app, and once you're here, you will see this kind of interface. Now to buy or sell any crypto on OKX, you need to have an asset. Head over to the asset, the bottom right, click on assets, and here you need to first deposit an asset. Now in case you have your asset in funding, you need to transfer it to trading. It's really quick and easy, and once you have transferred it, we can head over to the trade section, and here you will see this kind of interface. Now to choose your pair of crypto you want to buy or sell, you can click on the top left, just like this, and here you can search your crypto. Now once you have selected the coin, they will provide you a graph here. You can select different time zones from above these options. Now from here you will get the pricing. The above are the sell orders, and the bottom are the buy orders, and usually the sell orders have a little bit higher amount. You can simply type in your preferred amount below the limit order, or you can simply select one from here. You can also type in the amount here to see how much you can earn by selling these. After you're done with that, just simply click on sell dodge, check in the details, and if you're satisfied, click on sell. You will have a sell order that will appear here, or if it appears in the buy order, it will be sold immediately, and if it's in the sell orders, you have to wait a bit. And after your coin is sold, you can head over to assets to check the amount received. Well, that was it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.